Good evening, my dear friends. I hope you're all doing well. We just had our first class or gathering of our Making a Commitment for Love interactive online workshop on Zoom. I just finished with a bunch of beautiful friends who joined, and it was lovely to see everyone and get to know each other a little bit better, because next week we are going to start the classes and we are going to talk about different pillars of the book Making a Commitment for Love. That's here, or the poster behind me. As I said before, my intention is not teaching the book. My intention is having you participate in a group sessions, group therapies, and ask your questions and participate, so you'll find your own solutions to your questions or challenges. If you sign up, or when you sign up, there is a workbook that comes with it that you will print out, and you will have access to all the questions. We're gonna ask the questions every week. You have a little homework assignment when you go home that you can do the whole week, just to ponder and see what you really think about your own individual life. And then we get into communication with your friends and family and partners, especially, and your children. Since I started at 6 o'clock, and it might be a little bit late for people on the East Coast, we decided to start the classes at 5 from next week, LA time. So I'm gonna, after I'm done with my live, I'm gonna go change the time on the Facebook ad for this workshop to 5 to 6:30 in the evening. So for all of our friends in other parts of the US who want to join, it might be a better time. I see that some people are new, Doris and Lobad and Gilojan. Hi, I'm glad that you guys are here. Miss seeing you guys in person, and thank you for showing up here online. This group, they become like a family if you join. We discuss different things. I pick up a chapter from the book Making a Commitment for Love, and we go from there. Every week is a one pillar. Like next week is self-love. The week after is going to be mutual understanding, and then respect, communication, and we go down the path on the chapters of the book, and we discuss it in our own lives. So in case you're interested to join us from next week on, it's not late. You can jump in anytime, actually, because each chapter is different and separate. But if you start from the beginning, the beauty of it is that you have a bunch of people that you become like a family, and you relate to each other because of their sharings and their challenges. Maybe if they talk about it, some of us, we do talk about our challenges in life. And the only thing I need from you is your commitment, your phone number so I can text you, and your email address so I can email you the information when needed. So private message me if you like. And if you need more information, you can always go on Messenger, or if you have my phone number, just text me and I'll get back to you at my earliest convenience and at your earliest convenience. I'm pretty good with that. So with all that said, I'm extremely excited that we had this amazing session tonight. And I look forward to seeing each and every one of you who is interested from next week on. Thursday evening, I will be on Zoom with a group of Persian women from Orange County, and I will talk about my book and my workshop and that will be continuing next week. So, Mariam Jun, how are you, Azizam? That is wonderful. I'm glad to see you all here. I will be back with more information soon. So until then, please take care of yourself, stay healthy and safe, and know that I love you. Bye-bye.